I'm Sonal Bhutra and you're watching Power Breakfast. Well, it's the last Monday of 2022. We have a lot to catch up on. But yes, not many cues coming in from the global markets because most of them are shut. But let's take a look at the Asian markets again, where except for the Chinese and the markets in Japan are actually shut for trade today. But let's quickly take a look at what's happening otherwise. In Japan, the inflation number came in at a 40-year high, and that is something that is impacting the markets across the Asian screen. The SGX Nifty, as a result of which, is indicating that yes, mostly the Asian markets are lower, but today SGX Nifty is indicating a start in the green. A 30-point uptick is what SGX Nifty is indicating as we speak. Let's talk about the US markets now. Wall Street ended a volatile session higher on Friday, with the Dow Jones closing 176 points higher, the S&P 500 ending over 0.5%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite with just a 20-point gain. Despite all three indices finishing in the green, Wall Street posted its third weekly loss. CNBC's Contessa Brewer gets us a wrap of all the action on Wall Street.
Modest gains for stocks on Wall Street today, but they're still on track for big losses this month. Most investors have stopped debating whether there will be a U.S. recession next year, and now they're trying to figure out how bad it will be. The Dow closed up 0.5%, the S&P ended 0.6% higher, and the Nasdaq finished with an increase of 0.2%. Americans are enjoying those lower-priced gasoline. The national average here dropping toward $3 a gallon, almost $2 below the peak in June. But of course, crude oil prices are beginning to rise as the West tightens Russian sanctions and the lifting of COVID restrictions increases demand from China. If that trend continues, gasoline prices likely will start to move higher again in the new year. And we're looking at delays for holiday gifts. FedEx and UPS say their transportation hubs are being severely affected by winter storms that are disrupting flights around the United States. That's the action from the U.S. market. I'll send it back to you in Mumbai.
Okay.